बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व आले मुहम्मद वअज्जिल फरज आले मुहम्मद। Today we are studying law of mass action. Last time we have studied law of mass action. Today we are studying rate law. Rate law, it states rate of reaction is function of concentration of reactants measured experimentally. It states rate of reaction is directly proportional to concentration of reactants determined experimentally. For example, hydrolysis or inversion of sugar, cane sugar, sucrose, C12H22O11 plus H2O. This gives the, in presence of acid catalyst, gives the glucose and fructose. Rate of reaction is directly proportional to first power of concentration of sucrose. It does not depend upon the concentration of water because water is in large excess. Such reactions in which two reactants are involved, but rate of reaction does not depend upon concentration of one of reactant. These reactions, because these reactants are in large excess, so these reactions are called pseudo first order reaction. So therefore this reaction is the pseudo first order reaction. So rate equation will become K rate is equal to K into C12H22O11 concentration raised to 1. It is the rate equation. Another example is the hydrolysis of ester. Ester hydrolysis ethyl acetate gives the acetic acid plus ethyl alcohol. Rate of reaction is directly proportional to concentration of ethyl acetate raised to 1. It does not depend upon the concentration of water because water is in large excess. Such reactions in which two more than one reactants are involved, but rate of reaction does not depend on one of the reactant because it is in large excess. Such reactions are called pseudo first order reaction. So it is pseudo first order reaction. Reactions in which two reactants are involved, but rate of reaction depends on concentration of one of reactant because other reactant is in large excess. So such reactions are called pseudo first order reaction. We have already studied. So rate equation will become rate is equal to K into CH3 COO C2H5 raised to 1. Another example is decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. It gives the water and O2. Rate of reaction depends on the first power of concentration of hydrogen peroxide. So rate of reaction is equal to K into H2O2 raised to 1. It is the rate equation. Two molecules are involved in the reaction, but rate of reaction depends on the concentration of one of reactant. When we double the concentration of hydrogen peroxide, rate of reaction becomes double. If when we double the concentration and rate increases 4 times, then it depends on the second power. If we double the concentration and rate increases 8 times, then it depends on the third power. So simple, it doubles by doubling the concentration of hydrogen peroxide. So therefore it depends on the first power of concentration of hydrogen peroxide. It is first order reaction. Another example is decomposition of dinitrogen pentoxide. This gives NO2 and O2. The rate of reaction is directly proportional to first power of concentration of N2O5 raised to 1. It is also first order reaction. What is the rate equation? Rate equation or rate law equation, it is the experimental expression of rate of reaction. एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के बाद जब आप किसी रिएक्शन का रेट लिखते हैं तो वो एक्सपेरिमेंटल एक्सप्रेशन जो है, दिस इज कॉल्ड अ rate experimental expression. It is the experimental expression of rate of reaction. It is called the rate equation. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajjal faraja ali Muhammad.